This is the Iron Trader. The pits just closed here about 15 minutes ago here at 2:30. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Remember, the API report on crude will be out today at 4:30. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, buy the ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. All right, now what do we have here? Now it looks like your price here is really going right into this 8 SMA here, but the 8 SMA is stopping it. Okay, so what do we have today? You had a lower low. Okay, it got down to 88.19. So I always say look to the left of the chart. We want to look at the top of that candle right there. That's 88.07. See how nice that support is? It's holding here, right across. That's why you want to use price channels very nicely. Now again, if today's low is lost, then you want to look to this 21 SMA here, sitting at 87.63. That is going to be key. Now, if that's lost, then let's look right here. Okay, 87.22. We have 86.71, 86.15 here. Then we come to this candle here. You got 85.02, and then we do the same thing here at 84.89. Coming right across here, there'll be another support level. See how they go on up here? The same thing happens when you come right on down. Now, if that's lost, then we just look to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 83.69. We have 83.46, and then we will look for this 50-day 83.32. And so far, you know, this looks not good, but again, I don't think this bear flag is really the bear flag like what we have here, okay? Now, it might be here, but the key is going to be a close above this 8 SMA. We just might have some sideways action like we have here, just a little bit more dramatic as the price is up so high. Okay, so on the upside, what you want to do is watch this key level, 90.45, and then we look at yesterday's high at 90.83. And then we come here, you have 90.98. And then we have 91.07, you have 91.33, and then your big retest up there is 92.43. Now, again, if it can break above this key, 92.43, then we just look to the left of the chart here. You have 92.87, you have 93.31, 93.64, and then your big boy up here, 93.74. That would be the retest of that double top in play. Now, again, it can go up to 94, 94.50, whatever, but it needs to close above that 93.74. It all is going to hinge on this key level here at 92.43. So what do we do here today and tomorrow, or actually today, after once the futures open here, we want to see where crude goes. And then tomorrow, what we want to do is watch this key 8 SMA here on the upside, 90.45, and then watch this key 87.63 on the downside. So we have a sideways action here going here, but today, you had a nice bottoming candle here. So let's not get too excited. Now, you look on the MACD, well, we've got that crossover. That green goes over the red. That's not really good here. Your RSI here, well, this is looking okay here right now if it wants to go up higher. But again, if the price goes up higher and this stays down, then you're going to get that negative divergence here. And that's something that what we don't want. Okay, let's take a look here on a weekly chart. Okay, we got the weekly chart here all bigged up. Okay, this is the candle I'm talking about right here. That's that 93.74. Now, if you can get above that, then we want to do is you want to look to this candle here. You're looking at 95.05. We look at this candle here, 95.76, and then right there, 97.66. Okay, so that's the next level. So if you take this price channel here, that would be your next level. Now, again, if you can get higher than that, then we come to this candle here. You're looking at 101.99, and then we have 199, and then we have 101.88. That's your next level here of resistance. And then we just keep right on going here. You have 105.05 here. What we have here is you have 111.16. We have, what do we have here? We have 111.45, and then we have 114.05. So basically, that's your next level. And then we can come all the way up here to this level here, which is basically 123.68. But we can't get too excited here. You just want to watch this key level right here. This is that 93.74. And then we'll come right up to this level here, that 97.66. and then we come to this level here at 101.88. So just go level to level. Let's not get too excited about it. Now your MACD, you still got plenty of room to run here on your weekly chart here. Your RSI looks okay here. So right now here, just don't have any kind of opinion. We just have to see how this is all going to shake out here. And just watch that key 8 SMA on the upside on the daily, and that key 21-day on the downside. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, natty gas here on your weekly. Well, you know, you're still right there, 2.655. Right now, natural gas is sitting at 2.659. So you're sitting right on it. That's lost. We look to your 21-day, but there's really not much here, just basically sideways action here. Now, if we look here on your daily chart here, I was always pointing out there, see this series of higher lows. And I said, even if it sells down to this 100 SMA here, which it did, see that? Right to it, then she rallied right on up here, okay? So that 100-day is key, okay? So again, if they're lost, then you could come down and retest this area here. You're looking at basically 2.5, and then your pattern of higher lows just wouldn't be intact. But right now, everything is still intact, but this is why you trade the charts. Look at that 100. Look at that candle. Boom, right there. Now, what we need to do is you're sitting at that 2.659. You got to look to the top of this candle. Basically, see, 2.659. It just can't let it go. So basically, just look at 2.66. If you can get above that, then we look at this 8 SMA here, 2.689, and then we can just start, taking the candles up here, 2.734, and then you got 2.745, 2.759, and then the candle here is 2.824, which lines up very, very nicely with this 200 SMA here, okay? This is going to be big time resistance, and if this price shoots right on up. Now, again, if you can close above that 200-day and get that curling back up here, then we look to your 280.87, and then we can look at your retest at 3.018. And then if that's busted, then we look to your 50-day, 3.30, and then your 200-day at 3.76. But it's all going to be hinged on this candle I've been pointing out here, right here. Basically 2.66. That's what you need to close above and then get above this 8 SMA, and then you can have a chance to rally up. But the bullish pattern here is still intact with that series of higher lows. Now, today was an absolute excellent scalp. When it came right down there, I scalped the UNG. Okay, now I'm trading 15,000 shares here, and I got 20 cents out of that today. So that worked out really good there, just for the scalp. I didn't scalp anything else here, but just see how this is all going to shake out. This time of the year here, I'm just a little bit leery here on scalping the short too much, because especially unless it would have closed below this 100-day, then I would have taken that short and left it on and then ride it right on down. But right now here, when you can see that bounce, you see that series of higher lows, this is very, very strong. It just needs to get above that 2.66. Then we can try to rock it up. Okay, see, because you have to look at where everything comes from. Boom, look at that, okay? But actually, it's been really, really, really nice trading here. You just have to be patient and wait for the setup. That's the key. Okay, remember, API number here is out at 4:30. I have all the support and resistance levels posted for you here at the end of this video. And then I'll be back tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock, and we will review crude oil and natty gas. All right, thanks for watching.